Welcome to our exploration of sustainable kitchens, where modern decor harmonizes with functional organizers made from both old and new wood. In today's world, the push for eco-friendly living has never been more vital, and the kitchen is an excellent place to start. Not only does it serve as a hub for family gatherings, but it's also where we prepare meals that nourish us. By embracing sustainable practices in kitchen design, we contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying a beautiful space. Using reclaimed wood adds character and charm to kitchen decor. The uniqueness of each piece tells a story, reflecting its history and previous life. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse table or a cutting board crafted from salvaged timber, these items bring warmth and individuality to your kitchen. Pairing reclaimed wood with modern design elements creates a stunning juxtaposition that enhances the overall aesthetic of the space. In addition to the visual appeal, reclaimed wood offers environmental benefits. Sourcing materials from old buildings or furniture reduces the demand for new resources, thus minimizing deforestation and waste. When you choose reclaimed wood, you're making a conscious decision to protect our natural resources while adding a touch of history to your home. This thoughtful approach to design fosters a deeper connection between your living space and the environment. Incorporating organizers into your kitchen design is another essential aspect of creating a functional and sustainable space. Proper organization not only makes cooking more efficient, but also enhances the overall look of your kitchen. Using wooden organizers, whether shelves, racks, or drawer dividers, adds a natural element that complements your decor while keeping everything tidy and accessible. Consider open shelving made from reclaimed wood. This not only provides storage for kitchen essentials, but it also allows you to display beautiful dishware and decorative items. Mixing vintage finds with modern pieces on these shelves creates visual interest, preventing the space from feeling cluttered and chaotic. The beauty of open shelving lies in its versatility. You can easily change what you display to reflect different seasons or themes. Another great addition to your kitchen is a wooden spice rack. Not only does it help keep your spices organized and easy to access, but it can also serve as a charming decor element. Whether you choose a modern design or a rustic style, a spice rack made from reclaimed wood adds functionality and aesthetics in one go. Plus, having your spices visible encourages creativity in your cooking. To maximize space in smaller kitchens, consider vertical organizing solutions. Wall-mounted wooden racks or pegboards can provide storage for pots, pans, and utensils without taking up valuable counter space. These organizers can showcase your cooking tools while adding an artistic touch to your kitchen. The creative potential of these designs encourages you to think outside the box while also adhering to sustainable principles. For those looking to incorporate new wood, consider sustainable sourced options like bamboo or certified timber. These materials offer modern designs while still being eco-friendly. Combining new and reclaimed woods in your kitchen can create a seamless flow of textures and tones, enhancing the overall visual appeal. This balance allows you to stay on trend while behaving responsibly towards the environment. A wooden kitchen island can be a centerpiece that brings together function and style. Whether it's made from reclaimed materials or sustainably sourced new wood, the island can serve various purposes: meal preparation, dining, or socializing. By incorporating storage solutions within the island, such as shelves or drawers, you can create a multifunctional space that meets all your needs in a sustainable manner. Furthermore, don't overlook the importance of details in your kitchen decor. Using wooden accents, such as cutting boards or serving trays, adds warmth and charm. These pieces can double as decor and practical tools in the kitchen, reinforcing the concept that sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing aesthetics. Every choice, from the largest furniture to the smallest accessories, can reflect your sustainable values. As you curate your sustainable kitchen, consider the color palette. Earthy tones found in natural wood can create a calming atmosphere while allowing for creative expression through decorative elements. Pairing these hues with pops of color from textiles or dishware enhances both the functionality and beauty of the space, making it inviting for both cooking and gathering. Furthermore, engaging in DIY projects is an excellent way to personalize your kitchen space. Crafting your kitchen organizers or decor pieces using reclaimed wood can be a fulfilling experience, allowing you to express your creativity while practicing sustainable living. The satisfaction of creating something functional with your own hands adds immeasurable value to your kitchen. In conclusion, embracing sustainable practices in your kitchen design opens up a world of possibilities for style, function, and environmental responsibility. By using both old and new wood in your decor and organizers, you not only enhance the beauty of your space, but also contribute positively to the planet. As you embark on this journey of creating your sustainable kitchen, may you find joy in every choice and inspiration in every project. Let's work towards a future where our homes and our planet coexist harmoniously. Thank you for joining us in exploring sustainable kitchen decor and organizers made with both old and new wood. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate your space while promoting eco-friendly practices. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with friends and family. Together, we can spread the word about sustainable living and beautiful design. Your support makes a difference. Thank you. 9:22 a.m.